Uh, First skill which we will be performing is for lacrimal system, and it is called regurgitation test. The regurgitation test is used to see the patency of the excretory system of the lacrimal system. Lacrimal system consists of punctum, then vertical canalicus of 2 mm, 8 mm of horizontal canalicus, then common canalicus, then 15 mm of nasolacrimal sac, and about 16 mm of nasolacrimal duct. This is the excretory part of the lacrimal system. As I have always been telling you that whenever you are going to learn something, first of all you should learn anatomy. So and the secretory part of the lacrimal system is the lacrimal gland, which is present in the temporal fossa here. Okay. Now, when the patient comes to you with a watery eye, how you perform? After taking the consent, look at here. With the one hand, I am stabilizing his head, and my index finger is on 2 mm below and 2 mm medial to the medial canthus. That is here. इस तरह करने जरा, ठीक है. Now my finger is on lacrimal sac. This is the applied anatomy of the lacrimal sac. Now what I will do, I will slightly pull this eyelid. Now I can see the punctum from where the tears are drained, and now I will press it. Now I have pressed it and I am looking, nothing is coming out. That is it. This is the regurgitation test. What are the possibilities? Number one, nothing came out. Regurgitation test is labeled as negative. That is, the excretory system is patent. Number two, purulent water comes out of the lower punctum or the upper punctum. It means there is blockage of the nasolacrimal duct, most probably at the nasolacrimal duct level. That is why it was accumulated, and when you press the lacrimal sac, it comes out. Third, watery discharge comes out. That is not pussy discharge. It means that there is blockage, but it is not infected. These are the results of the regurgitation test. Now, this is the one single most test which you perform to evaluate the lacrimal system, and it gives you a lot of information. Now, let's move to the next skill in ophthalmology without any break.